Looking to earn extra cash while having fun? Look no further. In this video, I will reveal the secret to earning money by simply scratching gift cards, playing exciting games, taking surveys, and exploring offer walls all for free. Discover how these amazing apps are revolutionizing the way you can make money effortlessly from your phone. Say goodbye to boring tasks and hello to endless opportunities for earning rewards. Join thousands of satisfied users who have already unlocked their financial potential with these incredible apps. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your leisure time into a profitable venture. Watch now and start scratching your way to financial freedom. Before we embark on this exciting journey, I highly recommend that you take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss any of our insightful videos where we consistently share novel and groundbreaking methods to help you achieve financial success in the online world. And you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And would be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Ready to turn your free time into extra cash? Get ready to earn real money by simply scratching gift cards, playing exciting games, taking surveys, and completing easy offers. Turn your free time into a rewarding experience and treat yourself with exciting rewards. Imagine earning extra cash effortlessly by simply enjoying your favorite games and giving your opinion with free apps. Why continue to waste valuable time and energy on apps that offer no tangible rewards? It's time to take control of your app experience and download free apps. I will reveal free apps that not only provide endless entertainment, but also reward you with exciting gift cards. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to the ultimate combination of fun and earning potential. With free apps, you can scratch your way to incredible prizes while indulging in enjoyable activities. The first app we have today is the Giveaways and Scratch Cards app by Govee. Are you excited about receiving real money as a reward? This app is the ideal place for you. You get paid to scratch gift cards, and you can cash out in cryptocurrency, PayPal, or other virtual wallets. Make money using your mobile device and turn every day into payday. This is the only cash app that will really pay you in real money just for scratching gift cards. Gain prizes by referring your friends to scratch gift cards and earning points together. Coins may be exchanged for genuine prizes. Redeem rewards worth actual money. You are free to earn awards at any time and in any method, quick and uncomplicated. Every day is a new opportunity to walk away with actual cash. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, Binance, or other virtual wallets, with the funds being sent directly to your accounts, which is a straightforward and uncomplicated process. Before we jump to the second app, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Now, the second app is Make Money Real Cash app. Earn rewards by playing easy games. Are you good with numbers? You are the only one who will play this game. If you can successfully solve all 5 math puzzles, you will be rewarded with coins. In this app, you can play 2 kinds of games. Memory game. Put your memory to the test to recognize the 6 pairs of 2 cards that are similar to each other. In order to walk away with money from this game, you will need to correctly predict all of the card combinations while making no more than 3 errors. Puzzles game. Place the pieces in the correct slots to finish the puzzle. Also, you can earn by answering surveys that need thoughtful consideration and the provision of accurate answers to a number of questions. You will be rewarded with a significant quantity of coins if the answers you answered are correct, and by continuing to use the app you can earn coins, even if all you do is sit there doing nothing but using the app. Simply logging into the app on a daily basis will reward you with more money. Coins will be awarded according to the number of consecutive days that the app is used. Participate in competitions against other players, win the most coins over the course of the day, and have an additional 500 coins added to your balance. Refer your friends to earn more coins. The option for a simple and easy withdrawal is provided via virtual wallets like as PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, and Binance, as well as other platforms. The funds will be sent directly to your accounts. Before we go further, never miss a thing. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to join our ever-growing community. We can't wait to have you on board. The third app is the Money app by Govee. Earn cash by participating in the most engaging survey and offer opportunities. Make as much money as you can with the most effective app for making money. The Make Money app is the pinnacle of all cash-earning mobile apps, and it provides you with an exceptional chance to make genuine cash incentives in your spare time, performing simple tasks and taking advantage of great financial opportunities. You may simply accumulate real cash rewards by using the brand new and amazing Money app. The Top Money app gives you access to a wide variety of lucrative cash deals, giving you a great number of chances to bring in significant sums of money. You may optimize your potential earnings and open up a whole world of financial benefits just by taking part in surveys and doing easy tasks. Directly withdraw your money to a virtual wallet such as PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon, or Payeer in a safe and simple way. Now, in order to ensure that you are kept up to date with everything that is going on, I strongly suggest that you subscribe right now and click on the notification bell. You won't want to miss out on this opportunity. Lastly, we reached the last app in this video. If you want to increase your chances of receiving more financial rewards, make money with the Govy Offers app, which allows you to earn real cash by doing surveys and completing offers. You can make money with Govy Offers. You may earn real money by participating in surveys and completing tasks. Get access to a variety of different survey partners and use your mobile device to complete paid surveys in exchange for real cash incentives. Carry out tasks for which you will be compensated and try to maximize your earnings. Govy Offers is a free app that will reward you with real cash for doing simple tasks. Use it to make money. There is neither a subscription or any option to buy more content inside the app. Rather, there are simply built-in possibilities to earn monetary rewards. Each and every day, there is the opportunity to win immediate cash prizes in real currency. You can win rewards in the form of real money and be paid for it. Options for withdrawing your money that are both simple and easy, including those via PayPal, Coinbase, Binance, Amazon, or any of the other virtual wallets. Funds will be sent directly to your accounts. Do not pass up the chance to make the most of your time and have an experience that is beneficial to you by failing to take advantage of this opportunity. Start downloading and using these free apps as soon as possible to open up a whole new world of exciting possibilities while also increasing your chances of earning money and winning valuable gift cards. In the end, please give this video a resounding thumbs up if you found it to be both enjoyable and informative at the same time. Additionally, I would like you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section, as well as share this video with others. And ensure that you have subscribed to our channel and that the notification bell is turned on. This will ensure that you are kept up to date with any future videos that are relevant to this one.